Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today. Thank you for supporting to my channel. And thanks as well for joining me here. Especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. To those who are new to my channel, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Who is coming towards Scorpio? What is going on with Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What do Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. First, we have the Tower. We also have the Eight of Wands, the Sun, the Ace of Cups, the Queen of Wands, the Hermit, the King of Cups, the Death, which is your major arcana 13, the Five of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Hangman. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Ace of Wands. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not resonates to you, please don't fits in your story, okay? Because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world, and I am one of them. It could not be my energy because there are lots of energies involved in this reading. The first foundation of your reading is the Tower. This is embodied the energy of Mars. It could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpios. For some of you guys, you are dealing maybe with Scorpio or an Aries, or it could also be that you have an Aries in your birth chart for some of you. I feel like there is an unexpected ending here. This is related to illusion, drama, conflict, betrayals, and everything which is not built in a strong foundation. For some of you guys, this is your sudden realization of all the things, and you realize why it was happened in the past. But this is more on separation, endings, upheaval, destruction, chaos, and turbulence. This is the end of all the lies, manipulation, betrayals, drama, and conflict. Maybe this person was the one who created this for you. Could be an Aries or a fellow Scorpios. I don't know what is your story. And for some of you guys, maybe you are not expecting this to end, because you cannot see this for some of you. Others of you, you are now experiencing this unexpected ending. This is maybe related to your family, could also be related to your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have here the Eight of Wands. This is the obstacles and influences in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And I feel like this is related to traveling. You have here an unexpected ending. This is a chaos, an upheaval, a destruction. But I feel like this is not your tower. This is the tower of the group of people who messed you up in the past. And now, maybe you are planning to travel, because you have a sudden realization of all the things. For some of you, it could also be that this person wants to have a romantic travel, a romantic vacation with you. Could be a Sagittarius. Could also be that you are going to travel alone, or you want to travel with your family, the people who are loyal to you behind your back. Others of you, this is related to leveling up. Maybe you are going to receive a promotion in your workplace. And this is more on traveling. It could also be that you are going to travel to work, or you are going to travel and work. For some of you, you are going to travel for pleasure. Maybe alone or with your family who are dear to you, who are not betraying you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look. Their lies, manipulation, trickery, deceit are already exposed. And you realize to have a vacation, to take a rest, to have pleasure in your life after all the chaos and destruction you have experienced, or you are going to experience. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Sun. This is the base of the situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. I feel like this is your energy. You realize to prioritize your peace and happiness. And aside from that, you have seen the truth. You have too many illuminations and clarity in this scenario. This Tower, the lies, manipulation, and deceit. And I feel like for some of you guys, maybe you are going to give birth to a newborn baby. Congratulations. It could also be that you are going to give birth to a new ideas. Again, congratulations. After all the devastated, destructive chaos and turbulence you have experienced in your life, you have found the light at the end of the tunnel. This is like the vibrancy of summer shines into your life. Your life is stunning, your life is flourishing, and there is growth, healing, prosperity, and goodwill. There is also success here, and that's why this is the reason you are happy and you express joy. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Leo, and this person viewed you that you are glowing, you are happy, and you are finding the light at the end of the tunnel despite of what they have done to you. Maybe this is a group of people involves Leo, because their lies and destruction, their lies and deceit are already exposed. There is an upheaval and loss here. Maybe you are going to separate, or you separated yourself already to this person who embodied the energy of Leo. Maybe this person is involved in this group that causes chaos and destruction in your lives. But in the end, there is an exposure. Their lies and deceit is exposed. And because of that, you are happy. Congratulations. I love this card for you. Because you accept your flaws and you are free of guilt and shame. You are just like a newborn baby. Your feelings is happy. You are free of the guilt. You don't think what has happened with these people anymore, because they are the one who causes tower with their own selves, because of their lies, trickery, manipulation, thief, etc. And it was already exposed. Yeah. For some of you guys, it is going to expose. Others of you, you have seen. You have the realization of all the things. And since you managed to accept, it is what it is. The flows, then you are free of guilt and shame. You are happy. You have success, prosperity. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Leo wants to heal what they have done to you, your grudges between you and them. This person viewed you that you already healed, that you are glowing despite of what they or he or she have done to you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Ace of Cups. This is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are attracting or dealing with a water sign like you, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It could also be that this is your energy. You are loving yourself unconditionally. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. You love yourself wholeheartedly because of what you have experienced in the past. Maybe in the past, you love this group of people and you forgot to love yourself, because I know Scorpio is very compassionate, generous, and having a kind-hearted person. And now you realize that I love them. You have a sudden realization. I love these people, but why they did this to me? And you realize to love yourself unconditionally, because you believe that no one can hurt you if you love yourself unconditionally. It could also be that this person or group of people wants to offer you a new love. It could also be that this person is a new person and wants to offer you a new beginning of love and romance. This person wants to inspire and to celebrate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that despite of all the turbulences in your life, you manage to come out. You manage to win all what they have done to you in the past. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are following your intuition. Maybe you are going to receive a downloads, a messages, a spiritual messages here, a psychic downloads. It could also be that this person wants to inspire you, to offer you a cup of love. This is a new beginning of love and or romance. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Queen of Wands, which is the Queen of Pentacles. This is your energy in the distant future, around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. It could also be that this person wants to offer you, wants to have a fresh start with you, to start with this new relationship, wants to offer you a cup of love, an inspiration to support you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be this person is in your family, could also be your ex, could also be in your workplace in the past, could also be in your friend circle or in the community. I don't know who is this person. I feel like this person viewed you as a very nurturing person, because you are connected to the Mother Earth. You are very kind person, and maybe this person viewed you as well, that since you are very nurturing person, you can support them with the financial matters. Because for some of you guys, you have success and stability. It's because of your hard work and or your legacy. Maybe for some of you, you are an independent CEO. Maybe you are a successful businesswoman or businessman. Because in Tarot, there is no gender. For some of you, you are spending more of your time at home doing your household chores in the garden, or it could also be that you have focusing your investment, which is related to realty. Yeah. And you have a financial success and stability, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, this is the view, a perception of the person towards on you, who embodied the energy of a Virgo. It could also be that these are the group of people. And this group of people, or this Virgo, wants to ask you for support, especially related to financial matters, because they viewed you that you have too much. You are very successful person. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have here the past experiences and influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Double confirmation. Yeah. Maybe most of you are dealing with a Virgo. I feel like this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are in the solitude mood. You manage to climb up at the top of the mountain, and you are detached from the outside world because you are tired and sick, and you give this person a silent treatment. Could be a Virgo, could also be other sign. This is double confirmation, Virgo. It could also be that this person now is investigating about you, because maybe they ask, why the Scorpio give me a silent treatment, when in fact they are the one who create chaos in your life. They are the one who are lying on you, who are backstabbing you, who are betraying you, who are gossiping lies about you, who are slandering your name. And now they ask themselves why the Scorpio is giving me a silent treatment. This is crazy, right? Cross watcher, if you are a Virgo and you have something to do with Scorpio, this is normal, because Scorpio is tired and sick with all your BS. Okay, back to Scorpio energy. I feel like this person now is doing a shadow work. Could be a Virgo, yeah. Because this person couldn't believe how Scorpio found their lights, how Scorpio becomes successful, glowing, shining, and having a prosperous life, when in fact I did everything to end up the Scorpio, in order Scorpio to fall, because this is the Tower. I created too much chaos, turbulence, lies, betrayals, manipulation to Scorpio, but Scorpio still shining bright, the sun, yeah. And that's why this person wants to investigate your life, yeah, because you manage to rise above the tribulations. You still have a leveling up here and a traveling in the future, yeah. You are going to travel, and that's why this person wants or investigating you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because they couldn't believe. And now they are doing a shadow work as well, because they want to find out what the hell happened. I did everything to Scorpio, and Scorpio is still bounced back, glowing and shining. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your environment, either at home or in your workplace. The King of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are unshakable. You matured emotionally. You are the control of your own emotions. You are the king or queen of your emotions. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. In tarot, there is no gender. And I feel like this person who embodied the energy of Pisces viewed you as having an emotional stability. You are strong. It's because of what has happened in the past. You have gone through. Yeah. They created tower in your life. You look. They created lies, deception, trick, manipulation, and everything. And because of that, you have learned your lessons. You are now having an emotional intelligence. You are unshakable. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, maybe this person who embodied the energy of Pisces wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. It could also be that this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. Maybe this person now wants to offer you a cup of love to inspire you after all what they have done to you. OMG. Could be a Pisces, could also be a group of people. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And this is your immediate future card, the Death, which is the major arcana 13 in this tarot. And this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are the transformation and rebirth energy. This is the metamorphosis of your life. You manage to shed your skin and you're leaving the past people behind who are no longer serve you in the past. Those people who created chaos and destruction in your life, whether lies, deceit, betrayals, manipulations, trickery, you are leaving them. Of course, they said, Scorpio reading is not complete without the Tower and the Death. And this is a powerful reading that I have for you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, there is an ending here, an upheaval or a loss. Could also be that this is related in your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. You will manage to evolve into a higher level. You give death to the old you. I know that it is painful because I am also a Scorpio, especially when we are going to leave the people behind with whom we are concerned and we love those people. This is a painful but beautiful transformation, the metamorphosis of your life. This is your energy. You give death and now you are reborn. You are here in this era of your life to collect what belongs for you. You are going to collect, hey, I am back. I'm going to collect what belongs for me. After all the deceit, the lies, manipulation, trickery that this group of people did to you in the past. You are reclaiming your power. You are reclaiming what belongs to you. Yeah. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Scorpio, a fellow Scorpio. Maybe you give death with this situation and you reclaim your power. You reclaim what belongs to you. You come back after your death. You rise as a stronger version of you. This is the right time to claim your power, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your immediate future to claim back your power, to reclaim what belongs to you. This will happen around 3 weeks. The transformation and rebirth. This is your season. So, don't get scared. You need to reclaim your power back to you. You have to reclaim what belongs to you. Hurrah! I am back. From death comes rebirth. I am going to reclaim my power to take back what belongs to me. Because this is our season. We are embodied the spring season. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here The hopes and fears of this reading is the 5 of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. It could also be a group of people. Could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I don't think that this is your energy. For some of you, maybe in the past, this is your energy. You are feeling left out in the cold with these people. You are feeling abandoned with these people with whom you expect that they are there for you in times of your struggles. But I think that this group of people are abandoning you. In the past, you are supporting these people, especially with financial matters. You are always there for this people or person, and of course you are expecting to give back their energy which you have given to them, but the truth, we aren't in the times of your struggles. And I feel like this is not your energy, because you are happy, you have success and abundance, you are the Queen of Pentacles, and you have seen the truth, the realization of all the things, their lies and deceit, their intentions towards on you. And aside from that, you give death to the old you. You manage to shed your skin, and you leave this person or group of people who are no longer serve you in the past. You give death, yeah, and that's why these are their feelings. They are feeling abandoned by you. They are feeling left out in the cold. Could also be Taurus is involved, or a group of people. Now, they have tasted their own medicine, whatever they did to you in the past. Because in the past, they want to take everything from you. Your house, your money, your resources, your job. They want to see you on the stage of poverty. For some of you guys, this is your feelings. You are in the poverty consciousness. This is a negative feelings. Maybe you have an internal struggle. It's because you look, it's difficult for you to leave the people behind. I know it because I am a Scorpio. But the only thing is to transform. That's why for some of you, you have an internal struggle. This group of people in the past are praying for your downfall. They doesn't want you to shine, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because they are, most of them are majority, envy and jealous of you. Especially on the way you carry yourself, the way you present yourself, your confidence, your aura. They couldn't handle, because you look, you are the death and the tower in the tarot. You look. And it's too much for these people, because Scorpio is ruled by Pluto and Mars. Pluto is the planet of transformation and rebirth, creation and destruction, plus the Mars, which is the planet of action, power, and drive. And for these people, they couldn't stand your energy, especially the low vibes people, the people who are devil possessed. No matter how good you are to them, no matter how compassionate, how generous, or how kind you are to this group of people, they don't reciprocating you because of their jealousy. They are hateful. They hate your lights. They hate your aura. It's because your spirits irritates their demons. And that's why these are the wish of the group of people in the past. They doesn't want you to stand out, to be in yourself. They want to dim your light because they couldn't stand your energy. Yeah. This is your hopes and fears. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have here the final outcome of this reading is the Knight of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. Double confirmation. It could also be other sign, other water sign, or other sign. Maybe you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio, the low vibes. It could also be that this is a new person. Somebody here wants to offer you a romantic gesture. This person got crushed and are attracted on you. This person maybe will travel towards on you and will give you this offer slowly but surely. This person wants to know you better. This person wants to date you, to know each other well, to inspire you, to offer you a cup of love. This is, could be, it will leads into platonic and a romantic relationship. This is a young person. Could also be that this person is an adult but having a young at heart. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Could also be other sign. But there is somebody here wants to offer you a cup of love, to inspire you, to uplift you, to support you, to socialize you. Take only what fits in your story. This is the final outcome. Get ready for the love offerings. But remember, this person will move slowly, not abruptly. Slowly but surely. You look at the horse. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And outside influence is the Hangman. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. Double confirmation. The King of Cups is also embodied the energy of Pisces. Or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. I feel like you have an epiphanies. Of course, you have, because of the Tower. Yeah. For some of you guys, maybe you are sacrificing. Maybe in your workplace or in your family. Yeah. Others of you, maybe in your workplace, there are lots of people who are gossiping about you, who are talking negative words about you, and you are sacrificing because you believe that you cannot find another job. You are sacrificing because you want to pay your bills every month. And aside from that, if this is related in your family, maybe you are sacrificing because you want to save your family. You don't want to separate, to have a separation with your family. For some of you, of course, not all of you. You want to save this relationship with the family, and you are sacrificing. Maybe you are the breadwinner in your family, and you are supporting financial matters, financial issue with your family. You look. And that's why maybe you are no longer dealing with this group of people in your family, and they are feeling left out in the cold, especially with financial matters. And now you have an epiphanies. Or it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Pisces wants to see you, that you are sacrificing. This person wants you to sacrifice for them. It could also be a group of people. Could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Because they love to see you struggling, because they doesn't want you to shine. They want you that you are always sacrificing, you are always struggling, and they want you as well to sacrifice for them. For what? Why you must always sacrificing with this group of people? And you have an epiphanies. You have a sudden realization of all the things that has happened. Oh, I'm sorry, I won't sacrifice again. And now, this group of people are feeling left out in the cold, and they are feeling like in the limbo. They are stuck. They couldn't believe why Scorpio abandoned us. Why Scorpio are not supporting us. Yeah. Because in the past, they want you to sacrifice for them because they exploit you. Because of your kindness, generosity, and compassion towards to these people. But opposite, they did opposite on you. For some of them, they are saying, oh, Scorpio, I love you and I care for you. But the truth is not. They are making a sugar coat in order for you to support financial matters with this group of people. Or it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of either Taurus or Pisces. And this person wants to see you struggling, to see you in the poor, in the stage of poverty, that you have nothing, that you are like a beggar on the street. And they are happy, they are satisfied when they see you like this. You are abandoned, feeling left out in the cold, you are feeling stuck. They want to put you in they want to isolate you. They doesn't want you to shine because your light is shining bright, and they couldn't stand your aura. That's why they created lies, distraction, manipulation, trick on you. Because they hated you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Despite of your kindness, your generosity, or your compassion to these people. In fact, they want to see you struggles, and they want to isolate you, that you are feeling stuck. And now it backfires. Whatever they did to you, because it was already exposed. The exposure of their lies, manipulation, trick, and deceit. These are their feelings now. They are feeling left out in the cold. They are feeling like in the limbo. They are stuck. You're not, because your light is shining bright, and you have a financial success and abundance. You are having peace of mind because you are connected to Mother Earth. And these are the feelings of the people in the past. I'm sorry for them. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And to clarify the outcome in this reading is the Ace of Wheels. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Or it could also be that you have an earth sign in your birth chart, not all of you. I feel like you are opening the doors of golden opportunity. You have lots of opportunities, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could either career, investment, or a new business venture. And you have lots of possibilities to become a successful person. You have lots of creativity. This is a good news related to material world. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, viewed you that you have lots of opportunities. You have lots of golden opportunities to earn money, to be a successful person. Could also be that this person wants to offer you this creativity, a new investment, or a new business venture. Could also be a career. I don't know. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Five of Pentacles in this reading. Tell me more about the Five of Pentacles here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Why the Five of Pentacles in this reading? The Five of Pentacles is clarified as conflicted, decision had uncalled, multiple choices. Could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Could also be that this person are having, what do you call this? A multiple options. Maybe this person put you in a third party situation in the past. This person is conflicted because this person is indecisive. Could be a Taurus. Yeah. Hot and cold, indecisive decision, multiple choices, or this person put you as an option. This is a past person, and now this person is feeling left out in the cold by you. You outshine them because you are glowing. You have a financial success and abundance. Yeah. Because you have seen the color of this, the true color of this person towards on you. Could be a Taurus. And this is the feelings of this person now. They are feeling left out in the cold by you because you outshine them. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the depth in this reading. Why the depth here, please? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the depth in this reading? The depth is clarified as broken, shattered, heartbroken, destroyed. Of course, because you give depth to the old you. This is, you shed your own skin. And it is not easy to undergo metamorphosis in life. Maybe this group of people or this person is feeling broken, heartbroken, and destroyed because you give depth with this situation. You are no longer dealing with this person anymore or group of people, and now they are heartbroken because you leave them behind, because these are the group of people who are no longer served you in the past, who are backstabbing you, betraying you despite of your kindness, your compassion and generosity towards on them. You give depth, and now these are their feelings. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Why the Tower in this reading? Tell me more about the Tower here, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Tower here? The Tower is clarified as cloudy judgment. Could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow low vibes Scorpio. And this person could also be a group of people misjudge you in the past. Yeah. They don't believe that you are having prosperity. You are glowing. You held from the past trauma that they have done to you. Because they believe that you are distorted, you are unbalanced, you are gullible, you are an idiot. They misjudged you in the past. And they couldn't believe because you have a financial success and your light is shining bright. And they are stuck in the old energy. You look, they are in the limbo. Because in the past they misjudged you. They don't believe your worth. They don't believe yourself. They think that you are an idiot, you are gullible, you are stupid, you have nothing. That's why they are manipulating you. They tried to trick you. They put you in an illusion, drama, and conflict. But it's over. Cross watchers. You're exposed. Your lies are being exposed. Yeah, and Scorpio is heading their stability, prosperity, happiness, and success, and also already held in the past trauma, whatever cross watchers you did to them. Yeah, sorry, Scorpio is now collecting what belongs to Scorpio. And sorry, cross watchers, because Scorpio is now reclaiming their power. This is the end of all the lies, manipulation, trickery. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the Hangman in this reading? Why the Hangman here? Show me the cards what I need to see, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Hangman in this reading? The Hangman is clarified as chasing, pursuit, toxicity, resilience. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Pisces believe that you chase them. Yeah. And they have seen you that you are very resilient. This person is toxic. Could also be that if this is your ex, this person put you in a third party situation. Yeah. And this person is a player. Or if this is in your workplace, this person wants to play your emotions. Because this person wants you to sacrifice, wants to see you sacrificing. Yeah. Wants to put you in a confusion. Could be this person is in your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. If this is your ex, you look, this person wants you to chase them. I don't know who is this person in your life, but now, whatever they plan to you, they are now backfires. They are now feeling like in the limbo. They are stuck. Because you rise above the tribulations. You are very resilient. It could also be that this person viewed you as a very resilient person. This person is toxic and this is not the real deal. Yeah. They want you to chase them. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. The Hermit in this reading. Why the Hermit here, please? Show me the cards what I need to see for the start. Thank you, spirits. The Hermit is clarified as depth, awareness, importance, value. This person who embodied the energy of Virgo realized now your value. Because this person did a shadow work. How important you are in their lives. How valuable you are in their lives. Could be a Virgo. Could also be a group of people. In your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Now they realize your value because they have gone also an introspection. But you give this person or group of people a silent treatment. For some of them, you already cut off the ties of this person or group of people. Clarify me, please, the sun here. Why the sun in this reading? Thank you, spirits. The sun is clarified as shocking and beauty. We have to clarify first the shocking. This person who embodied the energy of Leo or a group of people are shocked. Yeah. Because they have given you turmoil and troubles, and they are not expecting you to shine brighter, to find your light back again, to help from those trauma that they have given to you. And they couldn't believe that you are happy, your light is shining bright, you have prosperity, you are glowing, and you are shining bright. And that's why they are shocked, because whatever they did to you in the past, they never expected you to shine, to bounce back, to shine bright and having a financial success and abundance. Yeah. They are shocked. And the second is that beauty. Now they realize that you are not only beautiful outside, but also inside. You are having a kind-hearted, you are a kind-hearted person, you are graceful, and you have a kind, you are charming, sorry. You are a kind-hearted person, you are graceful, and you are charming. Now they realize, but it's too late because you're already having a realization. Their lies was fallen. Their lies was exposed. Their manipulation and deceit exposed. They knew your value. They realized your value. But it's too late. This person could be a Virgo or a Leo. They are shocked. whatever they did to you. You look, they have done everything to end you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to destroy you. But you shines bright. That ends your readings for today, guys. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.